The most expensive urine in the world is produced by people who believe that if a little vitamin is good, more must be better. It is not. Vitamins do not behave like money in a savings account. They behave more like drugs. Each has an optimal dose, and beyond that dose, benefit can become harm. Every vitamin follows the same basic pattern. Too little causes deficiency. The correct amount supports normal function. Too much creates toxicity. Health is not found at the highest possible intake. It is found in the narrow optimal range. Water-soluble vitamins, such as the B vitamins and vitamin C, are usually cleared more easily by the kidneys, but they are not harmless at unlimited doses. Excess vitamin B6 can damage nerves. High niacin can injure the liver. Excess vitamin C can increase kidney stone risk in susceptible people. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K are more dangerous because the body stores them. That means excess can accumulate quietly over time. The real problem is often not one supplement, it is stacking. A multivitamin, a fortified shake, an ADEK capsule, cod liver oil, a prescription dose. Each may look reasonable alone, but your body receives the total. The intelligent approach is simple. Measure first, correct only what is deficient. Retest. Then maintain. Do not chase the top of the reference range. Vitamins are not health insurance. Measure what you need. Replace only what you lack, and stop before benefit becomes poison.